Alright, so yesterday I started with game development. And I think I already got lots of things done, but still there are a lot of things that I couldn't figure out how to do, and I surely follow tutorials for that what I have right now, except one thing. As far as camera movement is concerned, I figured it out myself, but that's not that complicated, so yeah. So I guess we just have a look at what I have so far. I just have like a cube, which is my floor, and like 3 cubes just to visualize what's going on, because I did the camera movement yesterday already. And so yeah, if I click play for a second, so that I have something to, so I can just see what's going on. But that is surely not all that I've done so far. If we go to scenes, I have another scene main menu. And if you click on that, you see that. So the background color is not the color which is finally, because I want to put something out of the game, some graphics out of the game in the background, so you shouldn't mind that. But if you click play here, you see the main menu with play options and quit. So you have like, I have to change that one still. But yeah, if we click play, then we have 2 drop down menus where you can set some play modes. I will come back to that later. And options is nothing so far, and quit would work, but surely you can't quit in Unity, so yeah. So if we then click play and click play again, then this scene loads again, and that's what I did so far as camera movement is concerned, and I think that's pretty good. I'm probably tilting a little bit when I'm zooming out, but yeah, that's just like a little thing that I can do later. So this is the very easy script that I use for camera movement, and I have like the scroll speed, the rotation speed, and the normal speed for like clicking and dragging. And you kind of can ignore that because I already have 2 classes, world and controller, and on world I'm saving the player stats kind of, and I still did it with player prefs, which pretty much works fine, but I want all the data to be in a file, in a binary file, and I will do that today. And in controller I just have like updating the money. That's basically all I have right now. Then I have something for the drop down menu, so that I can basically return the play modes the player selected, and in the game later on or in the world I can then save these 2 variables. Alright, so I basically have like vectors. This is the one for rotation and that one for the normal position, and I figured that out. Like, that's pretty easy. So you just have the camera and there are basically all the things you need: position, rotation, and scale, but I didn't have something to do with scale right now. And these are basically the parameters you want to change. And if you have a look at that, if we take a look at the rotation, then I'm taking the X coordinate from the mouse, which is like horizontal, and I'm basically setting the rotation to the amount that I'm dragging, and multiplied by the speed and the time to delta time. And yeah, that's kind of it already. In the main menu I just have the quit game, and I just have loading the new scene if I click the play button. So after all, I would say that I got a lot of things done yesterday. I had about 5 hours time or something yesterday, but I had lots of problems, especially with this part of the camera movement, which then I figured out myself. But that's fine now. Today I want to implement at least one house, and I should tell you what game I'm going to develop, but I'm gonna cut it before and the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So then today I want to implement the first house, and probably roads already, and probably some more software modeling and controller stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do today. You know, recently I didn't have Wi-Fi for 5 days, which is pretty annoying. So I was thinking of a game idea, and I got lots of ideas collected together now, and so that now I have Wi-Fi again, I started creating that game. So what I want to do, I want to do a simulation for like a business, so you can choose a business. Right now I only have 3 businesses, which are IT support, car tuning, and real estate. And in this game you have to buy a house or rent a house and hire new people, upgrade your buildings, buy new buildings. You have to get contracts with other companies, and there are surely other companies that want their contracts as well. So that's what the difficulty is about in that game. And yeah, that's basically the game. I want to include a bank where you can get credits and you can invest in stocks. And yeah, so that should be pretty much like in real life. Yeah, that's it. So more devlogs about that are definitely coming soon, and I hope that I can create a really nice game which I can then put on Steam or something. But I mean, that will take a while, and that's just fine. So if you like this video, please like it. If you didn't like it, then dislike it. Leave a comment if you want to tell me what I could optimize in the game, which features I could add. And yeah, I'll see you next time.